So I wake up in the morning, I look outside as well. It doesn't look too good. Can you hear it? It's like just pouring it down out there. Let me open this window. Looking at door. Door. Do you want to mess with me? Okay. My door's just being creepy apparently. But yeah, it's absolutely pouring it down. It's like the neighbor's yard is not even that good. And I think they have rabbits. Although I can't see them from this angle, but yeah, I think they do have rabbits, unless they moved. But just look at this rain. You can't really see it through the window too well. But believe me, it is just horrendous out there. I mean, do you even see this, guys? Look at this. Stop opening the door. What's going on with you over there? It's almost like it's snowing. Some extreme weather. Well, it's a good thing I'm indoors.